glow. Snail with shell, tiny trail, moving soft.
No fail, snail.
Earthworms wiggle in the ground, digging soil all around.
Spider crawls 8 legs high, spins a web up in the sky.
Little ant marches straight, carries food.
Feels so great.
Beetle, shiny black or red, crawls around, busy head. Lizard crawling on the wall, quick and quiet, doesn't fall.
Centipede with legs so many, runs so fast, not slow any.
Crab walks sideways on the sand.
Click clack, claws in its hand.
Turtle slow but strong and sweet, crawls along, steady feet. Crawl, crawl, slow or fast, little friends are moving past. Crawl, crawl, clap and cheer. Crawling animals, we love you here.